Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to create an EA account. So first things first, let's go to your computer browser and head on to this website right here, ea.com. And once you're in the website, go to this icon right here. Just click on that and click on create account. So once you're in create account, just click on the country or region that you are residing now. So right now I'm in the Philippines, and select the date of your birth. So I'm just gonna enter my birthday real quick and click on next. Now after that, just enter an email address that you want to use for your EA account. Now enter an EA ID. So your EA ID must be 4 to 16 characters. So just enter a unique EA ID that comes to your mind. Now after that, just enter the password that you want to use. So mind you, your password must contain the following. So just read on this real quick. Now after that, just click on next. So after a verification window will pop out, so please solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. So just click on verify and just do what it is instructed right here. So this usually takes time. And once you're done with the verification, just click on profile visibility. So this will be your shared information, includes any games or services associated with your EA account. So just click on right here, and it is up to you whether everyone can see your profile visibility, or you can just choose my friends, friends of friends, or you can choose private. So I'm gonna choose my friends only and just click this right here. And if you want to read the user agreement, just read on this real quick. Just click on this and read. So this is an example right here. I'm just gonna open link in new tab. So this is the user agreement. So if you want to read on this, just read on this real quick. And if you don't want to read, just click on this checkbox right here and create account. So go to your email, because a verification code was sent to the email that you use registering your account. So I'm just gonna go to my email real quick. So as you can see, this is the verification code or the verification number that EA has sent me. So just remember that. And click on next. And we are done. Your EA account is verified and ready to go. So these are your account details. So just remember everything: your EA ID, your email address, and of course your password. And after that, just click on finish. And there you have it. You have now created your EA account. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!